Hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to all my students and with their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. 2, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. All right. Okay, so our lesson for today is how to represent data in graphs. So it is important to represent whatever result from your collection of data. So this time we're going to study graphs, so different types of graphs, and this is for mathematics 7 4th quarter. And remember, this is your teacher Marife Adonis. So whenever problems involving certain situation is represented visually before the learner, so it makes easier for the learner to understand the problem and attempt its solution. Similarly, when the data are presented pictorially or graphically before the learners, it makes the presentation eye-catching and more intelligible, so the learners can easily see the salient features of data and interpret them. So we have the inventors of graphs. So William Playfair, that is in 1759 to 1823, a Scottish engineer and political economist, is the principal inventor of statistical graphs. So in 1786, he published Commercial and Political Atlas that contained 44 charts. He invented 3 of the 4 basic forms of graphs. And we have statistical graph or line graph, the bar graph, and the pie graph. So types of graphs. Okay, so we have line graphs. So one type of that's common is the polygraph, no? So then we have the bar graph, the pie graph, and the flue chart. Okay, so a line graph. So again, what is a line graph? A line graphs are usually drawn to represent the time series of data. So example, temperature, rainfall, pollution growth, birth rates, and death rates. So it's common, no? Okay, so this is an example of a line graph. So we have here the growth rate, no? And the population growth in year. Then we have polygraph. Polygraph is a line graph in which 2 or more than 2 variables are shown on the same diagram by different lines. It helps in comparing data. Example which can be shown as a polygraph are the growth rate of different crops like the rice, the wheat, pulses in one diagram. Okay. The birth rates or the death rates and life expectancy in one diagram, and the sex ratio in different states or countries in one. Okay, so this is an example of a polygraph. So we have a ratio, the sex ratio, and the year, no? So of course, so we have different years. So for example, in Uttar Pradesh and the Haryana and Delhi. Okay. Now, what are the steps in constructing a line graph? Okay, so basically, number 1, give the title of the line graph. So first, give the title, and number 2, draw the horizontal and the vertical axis. 3, determine the scale interval on the axis and then label the graph. And then plot a point to represent each entry in the data. And join the succeeding points using line segments. Okay, so let us have this one. So draw the line graph for the following data, which show the changes in temperature and degrees Celsius over a certain week in Quezon City. So for us to easily, put a line graph, so we will use point first. Say Monday is 25 degrees. So if we're going to put point here, okay, let's make a darker color. So this is 25. Okay, so this is 25 points. And then for Tuesday, got 30 points. Okay. And then from Wednesday, so you got 32. Okay. And then for Thursday, you got 35. And then again for Friday, you got 20. Right. And Saturday, the temperature rises again to 30 degrees on Saturday. And another rising, it becomes 35 on Sunday. So if we're going to connect its dot here, so we could say the picture of um, our line graph. So you have here, and then Wednesday 32, okay, and then up, down, then it becomes 30, and on Sunday it becomes 35. So that is the phase of our line graph using the temperature around Quezon City on a certain week. Okay, okay, so we have here the table shows ticket sales of the Cabanas Theater during a typical week during a line. And then draw a line graph. Okay, so let us draw here a line graph. Okay. Okay, so for Sunday, so the number of tickets sold was 215. So we can put point here for 255. So that means it's here at the center. Okay, so okay, we can use different colors, right? And then for Monday, so there are only 60. So here you can put here. And then for Tuesday, so we have 125. Okay. And then for Wednesday, we got 150. Okay, 150. And then for Tuesday, we got 240. Okay, here. And then for Friday, we have 340. And for Saturday, we got 310. All right, so 310. So then we can connect, no? So from Sunday, so here, from here, okay, so 255. Then if we're going to connect all the dots, so we can have the line graph. Okay, so the line graph tells, no? Okay, so the biggest sales of the ticket, no, the sales ticket, the biggest sales ticket was during Friday, no, Friday and Saturday. So that means weekend. So they have the gate ticket sales in Cabanas Theater. So maybe because of weekend, no, on weekend there are a lot of people watching a theater. Okay. Okay, here, so we have to represent the given data using line graph. Okay, so we can have, all right, let's use another color. So, yeah, we can have here a Cartesian coordinate plane, no? Okay, so hindi ko lang ma-straight. Hindi ko lang siya ma-straight, but kaya naman gawin, no? And then at this side, so we can hear, so I think there are 4 years because it started with 218 from 218, no? So dito natin siya ilalagay sa baba, the year. So this is the year and the number of graduates here, the number of graduates. Okay? So graduates dito sa side na to. Okay? So you start from 100, then 200, 300, and then 400. So this is, there are only 4 years kasi we started from 218, which is 250. Okay, so dito, and then followed by 300, and it's still the same on the next year. And this year you have 325. So pagdugtungin lang ito, no? Yan. So that's the line graph. That's how we made a line graph. So sana natutunan nyo yan, no? Sana may natutunan nyo sa video na ito. And please, for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Love you guys, love you all, and also shout out to all my friends, the Whitey friends, the Whiteys International, the organic friends, the organic barcadas, the fruities friends, and everyone out there. Thank you, and especially to all the students out there, please commit, no? Kapag may natutunan kayo sa lesson na to, please tell me what you have then. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, okay, don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Bye. Love you all.